The Bruins take a tough loss to start their 4-game road trip. I'm Courtney Cox, and this is your Ford F-150 Final 5 Facts. The Bruins got out to a hot start, leading 3-1 in early play of the second period. Jake DeBrusk cashed in for 2 of the Bruins' first 3 goals for his 6th and 7th of the season. In the second period, the Bruins were without Zdeno Chara after the captain collided with Carl Soderberg. Leaving him with a lower body injury, Chara would not return. The Avalanche then rallied for 4 goals in the third, taking down the Bruins 6-3. These two teams will face off again February 10th at the TD Garden.